Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. A Murphy bed, also known as a wall bed, is a bed that is hinged at one end to store vertically against the wall or inside a closet or cabinet. These products have been utilized for over a century to maximize livable space. Today we're in St. George, Utah, and home of Wilding Wallbeds. Wilding Wallbeds has been building and shipping wall beds across the United States and internationally for nearly 30 years. They offer a greater selection of styles, wood types, color choices, and cabinet options than any other wall bed or Murphy bed manufacturer or retailer. And what truly sets Wilding Wallbeds apart is their dedication to quality materials and quality construction techniques. Using only real wood, they carefully marry the precision of high-tech manufacturing equipment with the skill of craftsmen to create superior products. In 1995, founder Bob Wilding was happily doing what he loved, building custom furniture out of his small garage workshop in St. George, Utah. Much of Bob's business came from happy repeat customers and from word-of-mouth testimonials. Well, word traveled fast. And today, this family-owned and operated company is handcrafting the finest wall beds and innovative space-saving products in the world. These products allow customers to get more out of their homes without compromising on quality or aesthetics. Wilding wall beds are designed to last, handcrafted in America using only real wood. Their determination to manufacture in the USA demonstrates their commitment to build the best product without cutting corners. Visit them today at wallbedsbywilding.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.